Hello everyone! I would like to share a birthday card I did for a friend. She likes to go to the casino, so I made her a casino birthday card, and she likes to play poker. I was inspired by a casino vacation mini album that Crafting with Barbie D.A made. I will leave a link to her video. And I used this paper kit from the Paper Studio. It has 5 page designs. There's 2 of each design. And it has dimensional stickers, flat stickers, and these alphas. These are the papers it has, some dice, and this one. The card measures 5.5 by 7. I put this red paper from Recollections. This casino title is from the sticker pack. This is dimensional chips. And this poker face is also from the sticker pack, and I backed it up on black cardstock plus on top of this paper here. So these letters I printed from my computer, and I backed it up on black cardstock, and it says on your birthday. And then we open it, and the question is, will you be all in or will you fold? And in poker, to be all in means you're gonna bet everything you have, and to fold means you quit your hand. Well, on this side we have a hand of cards, so she needs to look at this hand to see what she will do. And you can pick these up. We turn them around and we see, yes, she has a royal flush, so that means she wins. And these cards, I taped them together with Scor-Tape, and there's a magnet in between one of these cards that I sandwiched between 2 cards, and you can't tell at all that there's a magnet here. And there's a magnet underneath this green paper, and this side is made to look like a poker table with a black cardstock edge and green for the tabletop. And this just snaps into place here, this hand. Then we turn it, and it says, congratulations, you won the jackpot. This is one of those stickers from the collection. We open it, and then it says, just stay away from this guy, the Joker. And it's funny because I saw this Joker card in the card stack, and I just wanted to use it. I used bicycle playing cards. And it's like, yeah, you won the jackpot, just stay away from Joker guys like this that are not serious. And it's just something funny. And I backed it up on a black cardstock and stuck it here. On this side it says happy birthday, with more of these letters that I cut out from my computer over this paper. We turn it again and we come to the front. So this is a C-fold card, and it can stand like this. And as an envelope I made this here, so this will open like this. We put the card inside, and then we just close it. This will stay closed. There's a magnet here on this outside flap, and it sticks to the magnet that's holding the cards together here. So it only needed 1 magnet. And I made this envelope this way, all open without sides closed here, because since the back of the card is not smooth, I didn't want it catching when you take it in and out of an envelope like this. So it just stays secure like that. So I thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.